Seth, what's your last name?
Regan, R-E-G-A-N.
Regan. R-E-E-G.
Just R-E-G-A-N.
Oh, easy enough.
But if it helps you pronounce it, you can throw 2 E's in there.
All right. Hey, Lincoln. Once again, Matt and Mick here with Homegrown's Food 411, and this is our pepperoni pizza wrap-up. And I'm here today with Seth Regan, and we won't say it yet. We'll let you figure it out if you can check in the background. But we are wrapping up our pepperoni pizzas. Again, if you haven't watched our all 10 episodes, we hit up 10 pizza restaurants that was recommended by you guys, and also places that maybe are our favorites as well. We did a pepperoni. We had 4 rules at each location. The 4 rules were they can't know we're coming. Rule number 2 is it's got to be pepperoni pizza. Rule number 3, no dipping sauce. And then, of course, with every series we do, rule number 4 is 1 bite. So we took 1 bite of the pizza, 1 bite of the crust, and then we ranked those on a scale of 1 to 10. So this is Seth again. Seth, I'm just going to say Lazzari's 1 right here off of 48th and Old Cheney. Is this your guys' only location?
It is.
Okay, perfect. I know you guys used to maybe have another one downtown.
We did.
But yeah, this is right by my office, so pretty convenient. I'm going to have more pizza.
Sounds good.
For sure from here. So, Seth, let's get into this a little bit. So you guys 1 out of 10, and again, we try to hit those places that are most known. We try to stay local or as local as possible. So just going in no order here in particular, we hit Dino's, we hit Casey's Pizza, because everybody loves some Casey's Pizza.
Sure.
Isles, Ramos, Da Vinci's, Lazzari's, Paisanos, Yaya's, Momo's, and Valentino's. So 10 places arguably known for their pizza. And so we're just going to count down really the top 3. Of course, we already know that you guys won. So top 3 actually is 5 because we had a couple ties in there. So to make sure I got this right, in 3rd place, we have a score of 8.1 was Yaya's. Of course, over there off of 70th and Van Dorn. Good pizza over there. A 3-way tie for 2nd at 8.2 was Da Vinci's, Paisanos, and then Ramos. 3-way tie there. And then you guys, of course, won Homegrown Lincoln's Food 411 Best of Lincoln Pepperoni Pizza. We have this awesome commemorative certificates of excellence here. Hang it proudly.
Will do.
But yeah, I mean, pepperoni pizza is really hard to mess up, guys. The scores were so tight. And I mean, they were 0.2 above 2nd place. But really, it was maybe even tighter than that. But this, by far, I would say was the best pizza that we had. It was really good pepperoni pizza. So, Seth, I appreciate it, man. We're gonna dig into some pizza here.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
And if you guys don't already, like Lazzari's on Facebook, like Homegrown on Facebook and Instagram. You guys got Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah, TikTok?
No.
All right,
I'm too old for that.
It's back there dancing with pie crusts or something. But check them out, guys. Like them, share them. Come grab a slice of pizza, or what is this? A large?
Yep.
Or
it's
a large, huge pizza here. So you guys aren't open quite yet inside, but definitely open to go and pick up.
And we order by the slice too. So
awesome. Do you guys have any delivery options right now?
Yeah, we deliver.
Okay, perfect. Well, there you guys go. So, again, like us, Facebook, Instagram, comment below. We're here again at Lazzari's. Thanks again, guys. See you at our next. I think we have cheeseburgers coming up with Jenny. So Jenny's going to hit 10 cheeseburger places. Feel free to comment below your favorite cheeseburgers, and we'll make sure to check those out for you. So, again, Homegrown Lincoln's Food 411. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you. Thanks, man.
Wait, we can't do that.